Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So in the previous lesson, we learned the first long vowel sound, that was standing zabar. It was in a standing position. Okay, normal zabar is in the slanting position, but standing zabar is in the standing position. It is vertical. That's why it is said vertical zabar. Now, how is it pronounced? It is pronounced by dragging. Okay, a little, you should read it a little bit long. A little bit dragging is compulsory. Okay, to differentiate between the zabar and the vertical zabar, the zabar should be read quickly and smoothly, whereas the vertical zabar, because it is long vowel sound, it should be dragged. Okay, so how did we read that? Alif khada, alif vertical zabar, a, ba vertical zabar, ba, our mouth was wide open. Now we move on to the second long vowel sound, that is vertical zair. So it is similar to the zair, means we were reading alif zair e, ba zair b, but we were reading quickly. Whereas the vertical zair, we will drag and read alif khadi zair e, ba vertical zair b, ta vertical zair ti. So we have to drag each letter a little. Okay. Sa khadi zair si, jim khadi zair ji, ha khadi zair hi, kha khadi zair khi, dal khadi zair di. Sorry, again I'm saying khadi zair. It's vertical zair. Yes, khadi is said in Urdu. Okay, in Urdu the vertical means the khadi. That's why I'm saying khadi. So kha vertical zair khi, dal vertical zair di, zal vertical zair zi, ra vertical zair ri, za vertical zair zi, sin vertical zair si, shin vertical zair shi, shod vertical zair si, bod vertical zair di, ta vertical zair ti, za vertical zair zi, ain vertical zair i, ghain vertical zair ghi, fa vertical zair fi, qaf vertical zair qi, kaf vertical zair ki, lam vertical zair li, mim vertical zair mi, noon vertical zair ni, waw vertical zair wi, ha vertical zair hi, hamza vertical zair e, ya vertical zair yi. Now let's see the exercise. Ba zair bi, ha vertical zair hi, bihi. As you can see that ba has a short vowel sound, that is zair, and ha has a long vowel sound, that is vertical zair. So bi should be read quickly and he should be dragged. So bihi. Okay, if you say bihi, then it is wrong. You should not drag the b. Okay, bihi. Then you have qaf, ba zabar qab, lam zair li, qabli, ha vertical zair hi, qablihi, ba ain zabar ba, dal zair di, ba'di, ha vertical zair hi, ba'dihi, ra pesh ru, sin pesh su, rusu, lam zair li, rusuli, ha vertical zair hi, rusulihi, ain zabar a, mim zabar ma, ama, lam zair li, amali, ha vertical zair hi, amalihi. I'm repeating the first line again. Bihi, qablihi, ba'dihi, rusulihi, amalihi, bi'abdihi, bi'abdihi, duburihi, biwajhihi, biwajhihi. First ha should be read smoothly and quickly. Okay, and the second ha is to be dragged. Biwajhihi, khilalihi, biyadihi, bi'amalihi. Here there is a printing mistake. There is no zair below the ba. Just place a zair below the ba. Okay, ba zair bi. Bi'amalihi, biwaladihi, hadhihi, ilafihim. See, you have to drag the alif also and lam also, because both have the long vowel sound. إِلَافِهِمْ. If you say إِلَافِهِمْ, then it's wrong. It is إِلَافِهِمْ لِآيَاتِهِ أَهْلِهِ سُلْطَانِهِ بِمُزَحْزِحِهِ. Let me do the hijra of this. Ba zir bi, mim pesh mu, bi mu, za ha zabar zah, bi muzah, za zir zi, bi muzah zi, ha zir hi, bi muzah zi hi, ha vertical zir hi, bi muzah zi hi. Okay, the articulation point of ha and ha is different. So the difference should be prominent. Okay, hi, bi muzah zi hi. ببدنه كتبه أحيي أحيي ألف حابش then you have ya vertical zeri yi أحيي ترزقانه ترزقانه قلبه قلبه ثمره ثمره قيله قيله يحيي يحيي تقاته تقاته يستحيي يستحيي نستحيي نستحيي